भाजपाक तेलंगणा, तामिळनाडू, केरळ ह्या राज्यांनी लोकसभेच्या फाटभुंयेर दक्षिण भारतांतल्यान व्हडा प्रमाणात तेंको मेळचो म्हूण यत्न. लोकसभा वेंचणुकेच्या प्रचाराच्या फाटभुंयेर मुख्यमंत्री केरळात पावलो. कार्यकर्त्यां वांगडा महत्वाची बसका.
Totally the southern part of India will support for the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and this time we are winning more than 10 seats in the Kerala. As the government of India and Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji did various works in the Kerala states also, of the infrastructure and of the human resource also. Whatever the schemes, the 13th flagship program of the Honorable Prime Minister, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Insurance Yojana, and various schemes which is also penetrated into the southern part in the Kerala state. So the people will support for the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and this time we are winning the Kerala, the more than 10 seats. All the Karyakartas, they are doing the very good work in the Kerala. So I am congratulating for them also for doing the good work of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state.